Hello everyone, it's Tara here. In this video, I'll be showing you how I achieved these soft vintage waves using a wave iron. This is the wave iron I used today, and I will post a link where you can get this exact one on Amazon where I purchased mine. So keep watching and see how I did it. I prepped my hair by blowing it dry and running the flat iron over it just to get it smooth enough to have a nice base for the waves. First, we're going to section the hair using one of our crocodile clips. I'm going to section this in 3 on the bottom, so both sides and the back. You want to start a little bit lower than the scalp area because if you get too close, it's going to stick out and we want this to lay nice and flat. So beginning just below the ear. So now we're going to take this top prong and place it where the bottom prong was. And you can see that's done and that looks really nice. And now we're gonna move to the other side. So again, just taking this whole section here, starting just below the ear, take the entire piece, place it inside the wave iron, and clamp down. Now we release, slide it down the hair, Now taking down the top section, you can see I have a deep side part for this look. So I'm going to section this top piece out. So again, giving some space from the very top. We want to start a good 4 or 5 inches below where the hair grows out, because you don't want to get too close. First of all, you could burn your scalp and it's gonna stick funny because you have hair right here and you have hair right here. So you want to just make sure that the hair is laying nice and flat. We also want the waves to match these underneath parts here. So I'm going to start just right about here. Okay, so now this top section is gonna be the trickiest part. So I'm gonna break it up into smaller sections. I also have a lot of layering here. So I'm just gonna have to kind of play with it until it all blends in. This will be a little easier if you have less layering in your hair. Because I have a lot of layers, it's gonna be a little bit harder because some of the pieces stick out, but I'll show you how I do it.